Hello everyone. This is another update on my account. In the last video, I showed you guys that I was in this trade right here. Let me pull it up. Or actually in the last video I updated you guys and let you guys know that this did hit TP and I said I might take some more longs and if I get a setup then I'll take it. So that's what happened. I hit my TP at my first TP at 2401. And then it came down, gave me another setup, and I took that setup, and that was the biggest trade of the day today for 187 pips. So for the day, we ended with 219 pips, which is really good for the day. This is the same for the week. So this was, let me show you here. You can see this trade is the 122 pip trade, right at 2401. It hit, and then the 187 right after 2401, it dropped, gave me another setup, and I held this and played around a bit and then eventually broke. My overall target was 2417. I put my TP a little bit below that. I always put my TPs a little bit below level. So I was gonna do that with this too, but it just shot up like crazy. So but here I put it at 2414. It literally hit it. I think today was unemployment claims that came out and it dropped a little bit and made another setup, and which I could not take because I was not home. I was out somewhere. I was out fishing. So could not take this setup, bros. This would have been another good maybe, even if I held this back to 2417, that would have been an extra 90 pip trade. But it's whatever, it's okay. So for the day, I'm just gonna quickly go over all the trades I took. Just a quick recap. So first trade of the day was right here. Was a little loss, right? You can see the eighth. That was right over here. It, to be honest, I was kind of unlucky. If it did not hit my SL, it came down here. I had a very tight SL on this. It went up good amount, like 28 pips. Then it came down and took me out on 10 pips. If it did not, if I had my SL like a little bit bigger, then this would have literally been the bottom of the day, and I could have held this all the way to, who knows what. So that's that. So it came out, hit me out. Go to my next trade after that. 32 pip loss, so 13 pip loss here, 32 pip loss here. This was a 20-minute setup right here, right? So it, to be honest, wasn't a setup according to my rules, but I took it anyways because I thought we were going up. So entered here, SL right here, 30 pips, came down, took me out. And then we hit the 122 pip trade. So right after it took me out here, it gave me another setup, an actual setup. I entered there and I held the 2401, which you can see from here to here, 120 with the spread. It was like 122. So after that, we had a 14 pip loss, which was on the smaller chart right here, right? This is an entry. I thought we were gonna boom, come down, make another setup, and then go up. This is on the smaller chart, and it ended up going up a little bit and then came back down. So that's fine. And then it gave me a 20-minute setup right over here. So gave me that setup. I took it, took me out, and then gave me another setup. I took this one and took me out. And then I got the third setup, which was the big trade, the 187. And that was the setup right here. So I entered in here, boom. So right now, I'm done for the day. I'm pretty tired, so I'm not really gonna trade. There's probably gonna be more good trading opportunities. Again, I think that we're gonna be really far up. Right now this is just the beginning of the move. So it's gonna go up and then maybe tomorrow, Friday, there's not that much news, so I don't know how that's gonna go. I'll see if I could get some trades. But maybe tomorrow I might retrace and then Monday next week we might start heading. So I'm looking for longs all the way. So my account was at beginning of this week at 92. Now it's at 114. So that's basically 200 and let me do the math. 219. So Monday I made 110. Tuesday I lost 110, so I was break even. Wednesday nothing happened, and today 219. So far for the week I'm up to 19. Last week I was up 414. Right? Only trading gold is a live account. Right, so I'm gonna keep you guys updated on tomorrow. If anything happens, then I'll make another video, and I hope to see you in that video.